Class 9 Subject Chemistry Chapter 1 Matter in Our Surroundings Module 5 Extra Points and Quick Revision. Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to state the fourth and fifth states of matter. Plasma. Plasma is made of free electrons and ions of an element. Plasma is a gas charged by electricity. Plasma is different from gas because it is made up of groups of positively and negatively charged particles which move in a very high speed. Examples of elements: noble gases such as helium, neon, argon, and xenon. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulb consists of plasma. Inside a neon sign bulb there is neon gas, and inside a fluorescent tube there is helium gas or some other gas. The plasma glows with a special color depending on the nature of gas. Plasma is not that common on Earth. The sun and the stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. The plasma is created in stars because of very high temperature. Bose-Einstein condensate. BEC is a total opposite of plasma. These are unexcited atoms, which means there is almost no movement. BEC is created when the temperature is closest to absolute zero. When an ice cube nearly reaches a temperature of Kelvin, atoms begin to clump to the point they can't move at all, and they lose all their energy. Finally, all atoms become the same, which results in Bose-Einstein condensate. A Bose-Einstein condensate can also be called a superatom because all atoms behave as if they were a single one. It is also very hard to identify every individual atom. Let's revise. Matter is made up of small particles. The matter around us exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. The forces of attraction between the particles are maximum in solids, intermediate in liquids, and minimum in gases. The spaces in between the constituent particles and kinetic energy of the particles are minimum in the case of solids, intermediate in liquids, and maximum in gases. The arrangement of particles is most ordered in the case of solids. In the case of liquids, layers of particles can slip and slide over each other. While for gases, there is no order, particles just move about randomly. The states of matter are interconvertible. The state of matter can be changed by changing temperature or pressure. Sublimation is a change of gaseous state directly to solid state without going through liquid state, and vice versa. Boiling is a bulk phenomenon. Particles from the bulk of the liquid change into vapor state. Evaporation is a surface phenomenon. Particles from the surface gain enough kinetic energy to overcome the forces of attraction present in the liquid and change into the vapor state. The rate of evaporation depends upon the surface area exposed to the atmosphere, the temperature, the humidity, and the wind speed. Evaporation causes cooling. Latent heat of vaporization is the heat energy required to change 1 kg of a liquid to gas at atmospheric pressure at its boiling point. Latent heat of fusion is the amount of heat energy required to change 1 kg of solid into liquid at its melting point.